It's already 7:06 in the morning. Yun, kakagising lang natin. And it's Friday, so off tayo ng 2 days. Bali 3 days because Sunday wala tayong pasok. And Friday, Saturday off natin ngayon. Tasamahan niyo ako, guys. The lab, Joseph and Kian. Box for the box. Shoot! Alin pa mapapadala? Joseph, atin na lang kayo ni Kian. Oy, pa akin to galing ah. Ah. So yun guys, pupunta tayong kusina.
Pakain mo na sa kanya mamaya.
Longganisa!
Ayun o, hotdog o.
Ay, ito ba? Hotdog. Para laging jusog. Ano oras ba sila darating nga? Lahat pa si Arn? Nakita ko na. Yung mic. Ito. Yung sa bag niya violet. Nakorong. Tayo ng vitamin, apple cider, apple cider, yung gluta. Baka naman, ano yun? The bike of the kids. The other building. At mga ngahoy. Ang woman's trash. Building namin ngayon. Ito yung building dati. Wala namin bike. Bike ng kids.
CR.
So, yun guys, tapos na tayo maglinis ng CR, maglinis ng buong bahay. Maliligo na tayo. Look at me. So messy. And I'll be right back. So, yan guys, wala yung audio dahil hindi gumagana yung mic. Ang sinasabi ko lang is time check and then kung tapos na akong maligo and then magluluto ng spaghetti mamaya. That's all. Yun guys, magluluto na tayo ng spaghetti. Yan, magigisa na tayo. Nakahiwa na lahat. Thanks to mom.
Hello! Hello!
Ayan, nakauwi na ang bata. Galing school. What time is the visitor?
1 or 2? Yeah. Yeah. Truly. True.
go! Walking! Walking! Let's go! This is our view! Walking! Let's go! Dito tayo sa may Dubai waterfront, Jeddah waterfront. Maglalakad. That's the creek. And then this is the waterfront. Walking tayo in the evening. Let's go. Almost 3 km ang walking. Let's go. Babalik na tayo. Natag sa dinaanan natin kanina. Hingal na medyo malayo. Nakaikot na ako. Mga 6 km na brisk walking. Let's go. Lakad pa uwi. Dito tayo kanina dumaan. Just sa taas. Lakad na tayo pa uwi. Dito tayo sa babo. Let's go. Awi na tayo. Woo! Good ba, uy? Yan, yung nakikita nyo yun sa malayo. This one. That's the Burj Khalifa. Ooh. Outfit check. Let's go! Elevator na. Dito tayo sa house. Wait, yun tayong tubig. Oopsie. Shower time! Guys, tapos na tayo mag-shower. See you tomorrow. Hi guys! Alicia!
Hi.
Go.
Hello.
Where are we going?
There.
Naglaro pa nga ni. So yun guys, nasa ano? What?
One crab is alive.
We're in Carrefour, DCC.
Yeah. Carrefour DCC. I don't like Carrefour so bad. Yeah. There. See, it's big.
Blue Chang, say hi, say hi. Shashing. 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 Shashing.
Ito, nakamit ko naman yung pera. Tinignan ka bakit? Hindi ka magkano yun. So, parang pabada. Ayan ang box.
Yes! Clap your hand. Clap.
No. Another video.
Yeah.
Another vlog.
Lalaglag ka na, girl.
No, chup chup.
On the way to Japan. When I say your name, you're drawing me in your embrace. The one who will never fail.
Faithful to glorify God, that you are always faithful to us.
Alright, that's our party notes for today, Ate Aubrey, and welcome to the Power World, the Fantastic Factory, as we please don't show the little here, just pass the little bit. Okay, alright, last one, 3, 2, and 1, pass the little bit. Okay, hey, pick! Jollibee. Okay, and let's move on to our Shomai. Okay, if I don't say suman, magkakaroon ng hindi siya na si Kuya. If I don't say suman, ang steps ko din is suman, and you can also say suman. Shomai, shomaw, suman. Okay, practice, suman. Dahil po yung pagkakasunod natin sa limits ko ha, nag-alipod naman, yung hindi ko say suman, shomai, okay? Kita ko na sa shomaw, okay? Dapat say ang bigkas at ang shomaw, okay? Yung mga natin yung pagkakasin ko, sayang, wala yung mga natin yung pinakakasan na, yes po, okay, warm up muna, warm up, 1, 2, 3, go. Shomai. Dali na nga, isa yung nakasan at bilisan, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, suman at shomai kayo sa iyo, okay? Okay, nasa kapigan, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so hindi na natin natin next 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Shomai, okay, okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, bilang ng 1 chance. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, one more, 1, 2, 3, go. Start the clock. Okay, dapat 1, 2, 3, go. Next 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, dito po kayo everyone, please stand up and we will sing a birthday song to us. Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ready sa kuya Masinda naman. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, let's sit down on 3, 2, and 1. Wish and blow. Alright,
you are here kasi you are part of our lives. That's why when I gave an invitation, I said, I will give it to the people that's really know from the start of Snackers. And until God gave us this day na pinaka-birthday niya. Actually, he's worried na walang pupunta sa akin sa akin. I told him na, it's okay. Because there's a lot of people that pray for you and love you na nagagawin sa birthday. Guys, thank you kasi part kayo ng buhay namin. Lahat kayo. From Samsung, from mga naging flatmates ko, maging friends ng friends ko na until now, they are becoming my friends. And of course, yung station family ko, I want to thank you guys kasi you became our prayer warriors from the start. From the start ng buhay ko dito sa MPE. Actually, parang birthday ko to. How's it goes? How's it goes?
Oh no. Yeah? Shasha no. Jairus dirty.